Hello my dear student, lecture number 1, chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. So this is a new chapter, try to understand, okay. An equation which can be put in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a and b are not both 0 is called a linear equation in two variables x and y. Okay. Now try to understand. I will give you some example. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5 and x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is a linear equation in two variables. Now first one, you try to understand why it is linear equation, because it is two there are two variables, therefore that question is immaterial. But why this equation is called linear equation, that is important. Okay, now if you take certain value for x and if you find corresponding value of y, then you will get a value of x and y, and that together is called order pair. So for an example, so this is what your equation, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. If you take certain value for x, suppose x is equal to 0, then 3y is equal to 5 and therefore y is equal to 5 upon 3. So this is 0, 5 upon 3. So 0, 5 upon 3, this is called order pair. Similarly, if you take a certain value for say y, say if y is equal to 0, if you substitute this here, then you will get x is equal to 5 upon 2 and therefore this is a second order pair. So that is value of x you write down first and then value of y then you write down. Okay, now therefore 5 upon 2 comma 0 is say other order pair. Okay, if you plot these order pairs with coordinate axis, that means Cartesian system, then if you join these 2 points, then you will get a straight line, and hence it is called linear equation in two variables. Okay. Then I will give you two more examples. Say 5x is equal to y. This is also linear equation in two variables. Minus 7x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0, linear equation in two variables. X plus y is equal to 7 and 17 is equal to y. This is also linear equation in two variables. But here y is only one variable. You can convert this equation in this way. So 0x plus y is equal to 17, and now 0 is real number, which is a coefficient of x. Okay, so you can convert this type of linear equation in one variable in linear equation in two variables. Okay. One more thing I want to explain you. For example, if you consider these two equations, 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, and 9x minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. Now this is a linear equation in variable 2. This is also linear equation in variable 2, and in this case their variables are what same. Here variables are what, x and y. Here also variables are x and y, and therefore together, these together, it is a pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, so when you think about what two linear equations simultaneously, then it is a pair of linear equation, or what, it is a simultaneous equation. Okay, now then you try to understand geometrical or what graphical representation of a linear equation in two variables. Okay, so geometrical and graphical representation of a linear equation in two variables is a straight line. A pair of linear equations in two variables represent two straight lines. Okay, now this pair of linear equation in two variables represent two straight lines, and you know there are what, three types of what straight line. The line may be what, intersecting lines, may be parallel, or may be coincident. That means the two lines will intersect at one point. This is a possibility. Second possibility, will not intersect, that is they are parallel. And third possibility, will be coincident or what, overlapping. Means suppose this is a line and this is what, another line. So this line and this line is what, coincident or what, overlapping. Okay, if the pair of lines represented by the equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So this is a standard form of linear equations in two variables. Okay, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. If these two equations are there, then relation between their coefficients gives you whether these lines are intersecting, coincident or parallel. Okay, so here one table is there. Try to understand this table. So this is what very important. You have to by heart this. Now ratio a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Suppose two equations are given, and if you compare these ratio, if you find ratios, a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then the graphical representation is these two lines are what, intersecting lines, and algebraic representation is this: these two lines exactly intersect in one point, so exactly one solution, that is unique solution, and these lines are consistent. Okay, then second condition, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 and is also equal to c1 upon c2. If this is there, then these two lines are coincident line or what, overlapping line, and infinitely many solutions are there. So these lines are what, consistent. And if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but is not equal to c1 upon c2, then these lines are parallel lines and hence no solution, and therefore these lines are called inconsistent. Okay, so consistent means dependent. Okay, now this is a basic of what linear equation in two variables. So this table is what very important. By heart this table, okay, because there are what many questions they may ask you on this particular topic. Okay, so today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.